In this video, I will be showing you how to collaborate and share your project in Gamma AI. Let's get started. I'm starting here on the Gamma dashboard where I can see all of my recent presentations. To begin, I'll click on the project titled Video AI Technology Guide to open up the editor. Once the presentation loads, I'll move my cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This opens up the Sharing and Permissions panel. First, I want to adjust the General Access settings. I'll click the drop-down menu next to anyone with the link and change the permission from No Access to Edit, which allows anyone with the URL to contribute. Next, I'll look at the Workspace Members section. I'll click the drop-down here as well and set it to edit so that everyone in my workspace has the same permissions. Now, I'm going to invite a specific collaborator by typing their email address into the search bar. I want to give them the highest level of control, so I'll click the Permissions dropdown and select Full Access. You'll notice a small notification pops up letting me know that only Workspace members can have full access, so I'll go back into the menu and select the Edit option instead. This will still allow them to view, comment, and make changes to the slides. Finally, I'll click the Add button to send out the invitation, and there you have it. That's the complete process of collaborating and sharing your work in Gamma AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.